What up, YouTube? This the man 7431 coming back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and install of the Intelli Glass HT. Okay, now this is tempered glass. I ordered this off eBay, I want to say about 5-6 days ago. And it just came in today. And I wanted to protect my glass on my Nexus 6. So I decided to go ahead and pick this up. Now you guys know that, I always try to protect the glass on my phone because, one drop and the screen is pretty much done. So if you guys checked out my Note 3 video, I put some protective glass on that as well. So, I just always like to stay protected. So let's just go ahead and go over the box here. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and read everything to you, but, I just let you guys read it at home. Okay. Flip over the back of the box here. Okay. And for those of you guys that want to know how much I paid for this, I only paid $7.99 for this, free shipping. So, yeah, that unboxing knife sure would have came in handy right now, huh? All right, we're in. Okay. So, got this little pocket where the microfiber lives along with an alcohol pad and a little squeegee thing so we can clean, well not clean, but kind of squeegee the glass on there. Which the last glass screen protector I had, I didn't even need a squeegee. I don't even know why they even add squeegees, because it's not like it's like a plastic to where it's going to have a million bubbles in it. Set that back there. Here's some more information here. All right, I think nope, nothing else in there. So here is some more information here. All right, let me go ahead and get this stuff together here. Yeah, that unboxing knife would really be handy right now. I would love to have it right now. But we're doing pretty good just breaking into the stuff right now. So here's our squeegee. Here's our alcohol pad and our squeegee. Our microfiber. Sorry about that. So I got my Nexus right over here. All right. So let me go ahead and bust this alcohol out. Make sure I stay in frame so you guys can see this. All right. Let me turn this off because this is driving me crazy, guys, right now. It keeps switching on and it's just driving me crazy. So now it's off. We ain't got to worry about it turning back on again. All right. So as you can see, the phone is nice and shiny and clean. No smudges, no dust, no anything. All right. Now, we're going to lay this down. And we're going to take out the glass. All right, so here is the glass here, guys. So, let's go ahead and let me turn this phone to where I can actually, well, I want you guys to be able to see it too. Okay. So, great. Now then, wow. Okay, now we're in focus. Okay. All right. What do you think about that, guys? Think it could come up a little bit more? Yeah, I'm going to say it can come up a little bit more. You know what? I'm just going to leave it because I don't want to make it worser by trying to re-pull it back off again, but I decided I'll just do this in real time. You know, this is strange, guys. You know, on the other glass that I bought for the Note 3, I didn't even have to use a squeegee. I just put that glass on and, you know what I'm saying? I mean, there wasn't no bubbles or anything, but I thought this was kind of strange that this actually have bubbles in it. But it's all good. You know what? I'm going to try to see if I can use this to help lift this back up, because I should have moved it up further. And once it's on there, it is on there. I'm just going to leave it. I know I said that twice, but that's what happens when you do it on camera live, guys. That's what happens when you do it live on camera. All right, let me lift this up here. Yeah, see, I could have pulled that up a whole lot more. Hold on, let me back up, guys, and let me pause this for a second. Let me see if I can readjust this. All right, guys, I was able to take it back off. I had to pull away from the camera because doing it behind the camera, as you guys seen, when you're trying to put a screen protector on your phone in front of the camera, it is very hard to do. You know what I'm saying? And I was like way off, and you know, I had it to the point to where it wasn't like a lot of the screen protector was down this way, and a lot of the phone up here was exposed more. So I was like, yeah, I gotta pull back and just take it off and reinstall it again. But this is the first time that I ever had to use a squeegee to get the bubbles out of a glass screen protector. Like I said, if you guys go check out my Galaxy Note 3, when I put the screen protector on that phone, there wasn't an air bubble nowhere to be found. So I was kind of shocked that it was on this screen protector. I guess, I don't know, maybe some glasses ain't 100% genuine. So I guess some of them actually do have air bubbles, but like the old saying goes, you get what you pay for. Obviously, I got what I paid for. Alright guys, I think I'm done playing around with this. So there is the finished product, guys. Oh, is that an air bubble? I didn't even see that. How did I not see that? Or is that just a... Alright, I think that's just a blemish or something. Yeah, let me run this over it here. Yeah, there it is. Oh, and another thing I didn't show you guys is I got one of these Spigen phone cases. Didn't make a video on it, long story, but yeah, I got one of these off eBay. I think I paid like $8 for this too, but it was actually the real deal. Believe it or not, it's the actual real deal. Pretty nice case. The only thing that I don't really like about this case is that just trying to clean it up here a little bit. The only thing that I don't like about it is the buttons. It takes a while to get used to the buttons because you can't really feel them just by feel. They seem like they should be recessed to where you can have an easy feel to them, but it doesn't have that, which, you know, I really wasn't paying attention to the case when I ordered it offline. But I mean, other than that, it's a pretty nice little case. Let me go ahead and throw the phone back in it now. Another thing I hate is every time you put this phone in this case, it always turns on. I don't know if I can get it in the case. Okay, well, I guess I was wrong. Alright, let me hit this again. I know this video was extra long, guys, but as you can see, I was struggling earlier trying to get this case on here. I mean, this glass screen protector behind the camera. But yeah. So yeah, guys, I got it on here. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't cover the entire phone. As you can see on the edges, it's not reaching from edge to edge. That might be a good thing because with this Spigen case, see if I can get it to focus. Of course, it doesn't want to focus now. But as you can see, the edge up here is really, really tight. So even if the glass was all the way up here to the edge, it probably would affect the case itself. And it probably wouldn't sit around the lip of the case too well. So, I don't know. It's okay. Am I happy with it? No, but at least I won't have to worry about the screen getting all scratched up and everything. Alright guys, if you like this video, drop me a like down below. Drop me down a comment as well. Subscribe to this channel. This is the man 7431 signing out. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.